Hello world, welcome back to my channel Code Journeys. In today's video, we will talk about how to create a website without knowing how to code. Yes, you heard it right. You need zero code knowledge to work with this method. You may have heard of terms like WordPress, Wix, but no, we are not going to talk about any of this. This is something different and it is still perfecting. So today we will be talking about Anima plugin, and it is designed for Adobe XD, Sketch for Mac users, and for Figma it is still in beta and not yet released for public. Yeah, I know you are unable to digest anything, but don't worry, everything will be crystal clear by the end of the video. So let's start peeling off stuff one by one. So first, before discussing the plugin itself, let's discuss the product for which it is designed for. First, let's get into Adobe XD. Adobe XD is all-in-one user experience solution for designing prototypes of websites, mobile apps and more. So this means that this is a replacement for creating a preview of the product, unlike before where we developed with pen on paper. You can download it from Adobe's link in the description. This is a free product from Adobe's design package, unlike Photoshop, etc. Moving ahead with Figma. Figma is same as Adobe XD, so you can say that it is a competitor for Adobe's XD. I personally use Figma for designing prototypes. You can download it from figma.com, link in the description. This is also a free product. Now moving forward to our next application, that is Sketch. Sketch is a Mac specific product that is a competitor for Adobe's XD and Figma. But the flip side being that it is a licensed software, which means you have to pay to use the software. If you are a Mac user, you can download the application from sketch.com, link in the description. You can try it for 30 days trial and opt out if you don't like it. Okay, so this were the tools. Now let's talk about the plugin itself. This was in beta for some time before the public release for Adobe XD and Sketch. You can download it from animaapp.com. Link will be in the description below. And it is still under development for Figma. So as I do most of my work in Figma, but as it is not available at the moment, I have designed a nice little preview in Adobe XD. For those who want to know when the stable release for Figma will arrive, subscribe to my channel and I will notify you as soon as it is available for public. Okay, let's move on to the working of the plugin. So this is the web page that we designed in our last video. So I created a prototype of it here. Now you can go in this little icon and then click on the Anima app. If this doesn't show up, it's probably because you haven't installed it. So you first need to install Adobe XD and then the Anima app plugin. You can see we have two options, export code and preview in the browser. Let me first preview it in the browser, and you can see we have the output exactly as designed. This gives us a pixel perfect website output. And now let's get into something nice. We have this contact form. You can actually make it work by selecting the fields as form input field. So we first click on the element that and then click on the form and select text input, and this is converted into a text field. You can see we had an option to make a submit button, so we did that already on our submit button. One more thing to show is that you can add hover effects and animations too, just a click. So let's add hover effect to our submit button and give it a shrink animation on hover. Let's see the preview, and here it is. There's a lot of features available, such as inserting a video, embed your own code, inserting external links, and something more important, that you can design a responsive website too by creating various breakpoints. So this was a short explanation for Anima and how you can create your website without coding and as you want it without restrictions. And if you are a developer and you'd love to tweak it a bit more, you can export the code and you will get the complete HTML, CSS and JavaScript files to work with. It was a free feature while we were testing it in beta, but in public releases you have to pay certain amount and get a pro edition. So that's it for today. Let's wrap things by reminding you to leave a like, and for further such amazing tutorials hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification so that you don't miss the learning fun. Till then, peace out.